Hello, I'm Mark, and welcome to the new showroom we have here in Malaysia. I've been dealing with Wood-Mizer here in Malaysia and region for the past 16 years. So now we have a place to show some of the machines, not all, there are so many. So basically you can do both tool setting and sharpening in the same machine. There is a pump here behind that pumps grinding oil to both sides of the grinding wheel. And then there is a magnet, collects the dust away. The oil is then going down under the table on a pipe which is not installed here to the oil can. So you actually circulate the oil directly from the can. This is the oil type that came with the Wood-Mizer, actually 4 gallons of this. And you just have to choose the right grinding wheel. And the grinding wheel, we have several options, but basically it fits into the gullet precisely, so it keeps the gullet shape unchanged during the grinding process. And the blade is set here in this line, locked in position, and the blade feed is manual. So you feed it manually. But the electric motor here controlling the grinding wheel has its own panel here, on-off switch, and rotation with or without oil. This is with oil, without. You have to grind the wheel with oil, but when you're adjusting the settings, you don't want your shirt to be splashed with oil, so better do it without oil. And once sharpening is down 1 round, should be done in about 2 minutes. Then another setting is here for tool setter. So basically you run the same blade without taking it out from the feeding mechanism, and you do the setting with this lever. But there's only one hammer that would do the setting, so you have to invert the blade and do the other direction. So Wood-Mizer blades come with the teeth bent left and right, left, right, center, left, right, center. And when the blade gets old, it gets lazy, steel gets lazy, and it tends to become flat, so you have to bend out normally. Wood-Mizer has the same kind of a machine. It's called BMST 50. The main difference here is that it actually does the teeth setting both directions. But otherwise it's the same machine. Again, very affordable.